Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Brave App weekly settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings, and above you will search about Brave App and we click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your attention.